Hey guys, this is me, Trambo 18 Productions here. And yeah, that's me, Trambo 18 Productions. And I gathered all my international engines here. I got Gina, Yambao, Ashima, and Rajiv. And I even got Tamika here. Tamika, of course. And along with Thomas here to show you one more international engine. That's right. And it's the one I've been always wanting for some time since in 2020 in this package. Would you like to see? Let's open it, shall we? Okay. It is Shane of Australia. No, hang on, sorry, hang on. It's Shane of Australia. Wow. Yep, the Motorized Shane of Australia. Yep, Shane of Australia. Yeah, guys, so here is Shane of Australia. Wow, good day, mate. Yep, yeah, guys, I finally got Shane of Australia. I got the 2020 Motorized Shane of Australia. And my God, he seems to be in good condition. Brand new. Used. Good condition. Here's his tender. I don't have to push along Shane. So yeah, I got rid of my push along Shane because I used his wheels for Edward. So yeah, his small bogey wheels. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, enough of that push along Shane. Let's move on to this Shane. Yep, this is the 20-year Shane. Let's look at his face. Wow, Shane of Australia. G'day, mate. His colors and his back and his side. Wow, Shane looks great. And let's look at his tender. His tender is amazing. And so his SAR and his stripes on both sides. And you're going to be looking at the best part. Boom! Shane has back details. Cool. Wow. Oh my gosh. Finally. Now I have a truck, Mr. Shane of Australia. So yeah. Yeah, that's cool. So, I'm so happy to finally own Shane. Even though he's motorized and not play rail. He looks great. And motorized. Yeah. Hey Shane! Sup, Tomo? So yeah, Shane is an Australian. So yeah, I like him. Yeah. Finally, my international railway, my great race movie, my great railway show collection is growing. Even the Big Adventures ones. Cool. So yeah, that's Shane. Well, let's give Shane some batteries, shall we? Oh wait, they open them. Hang on. cool. Yeah. Okay, I fixed his screw. Now let's give him batteries. Okay. Wow. Shane runs great. Cool. And I like the cow catcher on Shane's front. Even though it's small. So yeah. But yeah, it's good. So yeah, that's Shane. Cool. Okay guys, so I got Shane on the motorized track on my layout, and I got his coaches coupled up, the suspenders coaches, and I even got Tamika gonna run with him. Well, let's give Shane a run on the layout, and yeah, let's go. The Australians, let's go. Cue the music. Well, guys, that was my unboxing, review, and test run video of the Motorized Shane. So happy I got this Australian guy, and I'm so happy Shane of Australia is here in my collection. So happy to got Shane. Cool. So yeah. And I'm so happy to have her next to Tamika. Tamika and Shane are cool Australians. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next unboxing video. Peace out.